You saw where he was?
Yeah, he's towards. You see that red tanker?
Yeah. Oh, here he is.
I'm OG, y'all new to the game.
Fuck you guys.
Dude, tell your fucking story.
It's not a story. I was trying to get someone to make a fucking funny gun sound, so I can use it in a video possibly.
Oh, I guess so. Mine is pew pew pew. Just saying. I can only imagine Tarkov. He rolls up on a guy and puts my voice in there. Pew 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 pew. Dead. There you go. I like that.
Yeah, that was nice. And next. Anybody else got some cool gun noises?
Yeah, it's not really a thinking matter here.
Oh, that's good.
Bud.
That's good. Boof, you got a gun noise? Let's hear it.
I don't listen to you guys when we go into the queue. All right.
Motherfucker, put your gun there. Put your gun noise
you
out.
You got a gun noise, don't you?
Let's-
I was like, what?
Let's hear this fucking gun noise, Boof.
What? Was
Make a
everybody
good-
making gun noises? Can I hear everybody else's first?
Yeah,
No,
you
motherfucker.
should have been fucking listening, but now you're gonna have to wait for my video.
Someone fit and get shot.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
I forgot about that one.
Beautiful. There we go.
That's the silencer.
I missed this whole storyline in Cyberpunk over this.
What was the other one? Evan always makes a fucking funny one.
Oh, I have no idea.
It's like BAP or BIP. Bop.
Oh, bap,
Yeah, BAP.
bap, dead.
If you're feeling frisky. Ooh! Ooh! I just,
What's up?
my fucking Alton just stopped a shot.
Sounded like it was towards.
Are you pushing in
Yeah.
without me?
Ooh! He's inside that little fucking room.
Pew, 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 pew. Dead.
Two of them.
Yep.
Oh shit! Shala.
Watch it.
Ah! Ah!
Bap, 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 bap.
Hold.
You want
No, I killed Mashala though.
Who's
kill
that?
that fucker. Kill him.
Bap, 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 bap.
Oh, right there.
Bap, bap, bap.
He went down quick.
You're naked.
Who got him?
Pepperidge, motherfucker! That poor kid. He had no fucking idea what he was walking into.
Thank you.
I'm going up the stairs to look out.
That was me. Sorry.
I'm taking out Sniper Scav on White Tower.
Oh.
He fucking fell. Oh. I heard a guy. He's over by the little bunker area.
Oh, was it you?
Nope. Got him.
That's the silencer.
He's dead.
Nice.
I'm just worried about nades coming down on you.
I'm in.
Grenade. Back door. By the blue gates. Blue gates.
Yep, I'm waiting on him.
Beautiful. Man. Beautiful.
Down. He's down.
Up. Up.
One fat
up.
boy.
Up.
Yep, that's one guy.
Beautiful.
Second one.
Throwing a nade up top. Careful how far you go. Careful, he went around the train, but there's another guy up top. I killed one.
You being one of them bushes?
He's to the right outside. He's out back over here somewhere.
I see the laser right here. To our right. Got him. Dropped him.
Good shit.
Alright, I'm gonna check this.
Where are we going?
Back!
Oh, there's a guy over there. Over at the other spawn.
Back!
I dropped him. On the wall, on the wall.
Pew 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 pew. Pew 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 pew. Pew 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 pew.
I can't shoot or do anything. Back!
On the wall, on the wall. Two of them on the wall. On my flash. Past the truck. On my flash. There's two over there. One's running out.
Got one.
There's another. Flashing out. Pushing along the wall, Sid.
Yep, I'm pushing out.
He's on the ground there. He's dead.
Nice.
Ooh.
I'm on your 6.
I think I hear someone near me, and I think someone just shot at me or at whoever's near me.
I'm underneath you.
I'm talking to us on this road. Found him.
Good job, Pep.
Damn. Guy's putting in.
Good
Got him.
job, Pep. Good job. Huh?
Player. Down.
Player dead. Player.
Ooh, I'm getting shot at.
Dropped him. I don't know what it was, but I killed him.
Fucking A, Pep. You're a savage, dude. One shots only.
Blue, inside of blue.
Inside of blue?
He's down.
Oh my lord. One shot Pep, dude. Oh, I love it.
Ew. I'll sell it.
I'm gonna take out Sniper Scav. Down.
What a good
he had
sounding gun
performed.
that was.
Suppressed 103.
Yeah,
Somebody's running.
It's me.
Pushing out of corner room. Going
checked
toward
everything.
middle.
Right behind you, Sid.
Is anybody in middle?
I was on metal, not middle.
In middle room.
In middle?
I'm in middle room.
Oh my god, dude. What the fuck?
You asked 3 times if anyone was there. You didn't say anything. Did you kill him?
Yeah, I fucking shot him right in the teeth, dude.
Oh my god. I didn't know you killed him.
I came upstairs to shoot Sniper Scav, and I went right back down to my room.
Alright.
Alright.
We'll throw your shit.
It's okay. Good shot, Sid.
I'm sorry, dude.
It's alright.
I know we're being full out, full firefight, and out here, this guy's got some good loot. Ooh boy. I'm like, dude. I'm
Dude.
like, are you fucking serious? Are you looting someone? He's like, nah, this dude, nah, man. I'm like, motherfucker.
Grenade. Oh, over here by me, huh?
Okay, I killed a guy.
Good shot, Pep.
Dead on the ground right there.
Right over on the other side.
For some reason, this guy's fucking MPX is on semi-auto, but I killed him. That was
Good job. He was still sitting in the corner.
fucking dumb.
Oh yeah.
Said, can I turn you into a housewife?
Yeah.
Scares.
Oh, I'm
Who's this right here?
Ah, thank you.
You're welcome.
that's
so
Smoked him. Evan, where are you at?
The very other end.
Not where
Assuming.
he's looking.
I don't know where the fuck he's looking. I'm over here by the Ollie sign. By Alta.
Who's this guy? Oh, he's fucking dead, whoever he is.
not.
Okay, there's a guy in there. Little bastard.
One camping ass bitch.
Extract campers. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're pushing.
What are you guys doing?
Oh,
There's another one. Wall side of the truck.
Got him. I got him.
Fuck yeah, Evan.
Alright.
Good shit.
I'm coming. Nice shot. Fuck that guy.
We don't have to do any trades this time, do we?
Yep.
We do?
Yeah, I gotta trade you in for somebody who doesn't have an asshole attitude. I love you, buddy.
Fucking
You know, I'm just
whack.
teasing you.
You know what? Fuck!
Wow.
Fuck you, Boof!
Hey.
You can suck a dick! Piece of shit! Nobody fucking loves you. The only thing that brings me joy is that on your deathbed, no one will be there. Cause you're a piece of shit.
I
Why
have
do
got
you
way
single
too
me
loud.
out, bro? Everybody laughed at you.
Cause your laugh was the fucking loudest, and fuck you. You know what? I hope you get over your horrible disease, and you get out, and they push you on your wheelchair, and no one's there to fucking drive you home either.
What horrible disease is he got? What do you talk?
The horrible one. A horrible one.
Okay.
These
I'm
are
like
like devastating, not devastating.
Like
insults.
devastating, can't move any of his limbs, and can't feel anything other than pain.
So he wants to be
But-
me to be a quadriplegic?
Right, and you somehow pull through it, you get down to the lobby, and nobody's there to drive you home.
Quadriplegic?
You make it out to the sidewalk, walk home, and trip. You're right back where you were. Just to have it fucking ripped away from you.
That's
Reset.
fucking that's
Months-
brutal.
Months of brutal
Yeah.
physical therapy.
Yes. Just a
Just a
trip.
reset.
Just a trip on your way out.
Wouldn't
Break
that
your
be
neck again.
something?
So fuck you. I forgot what I was mad about. But fuck you.
I love it. I love it.
Alright, I'm getting on the gun. I'm gonna return fire. Oh
Yep.
shit! I'm actually
wasn't
getting
me.
shot. I'm getting shot. I can't get off the gun.
From where?
Out front ribs. The Alton saved me so many times. Yep, he's in the basement. He's dead. Little bastard, dude.
Yeah, dude, I knew I
Sneaky.
saw somebody.
Sneaky little fuck, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna get my guy out front.
Who's this guy?
Fuck outta here. Good, you good? Where is he? Where is he?
By the dump truck
Tractor?
behind it. He's hurt real bad.
Oh, he's dead.
Okay, well he's hurt real bad. Behind the tractor.
Dead guy out here. Yeah, he's dead.
Yeah, Ushanka on his head.
Yeah.
Okay, well that fucker blacked out my chest.
Fucking A, dude.
Dude.
See, I knew there was somebody. I'm calling him out. Alright, do you need something?
I'm red on fucking everything, my head and chest.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Yeah, give me a second here. Since a scav tickling me will send me to the afterlife, do you want to go through first this time?
Yeah.
Because there is a scav over there. I already, bitch, you already know I'm not wearing pants. I don't play Tarkov with pants on. That's not how I roll.